Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my September SCT Sampler. I don't know anything about what's inside of this other than people in the Facebook group seem to be very excited about everything inside. So let's take it out and take a look. So the first thing we see is the theme. Take it all in and one day at a time and enjoy. So we've got BoBunny, Simple Stories, and SCT Shadow Set. Okay, so this is the Enjoy die. It is shadowed. You can use it together as a set or individual. You can just have Enjoy, which is nice, so you can always shadow it, which makes it stand out and easier to read in titles, like these I've got here actually. You can see those are some examples of past ones, Smile and Hello. I really enjoy using those for card making. Okay, so this is the Simple Stories. I love these beautiful embellishments there. Travel, explore. It's cute. Pack your bags. The open road. All kinds of nice little ephemera. So this is definitely good for a little trip that you're taking. Now this has definitely changed. So this is now BoBunny. I can already tell the difference. Much more ornate pieces. That's pretty. That matches well. Like you could almost think that that goes together, but that's Simple Stories and that's BoBunny. And then that's the end of those. And then the stamp set that we've got is very ornate. I do like this sort of musical note as background piece, as well as this sort of brush stroke. That's neat. I like that. We've got some stickers here from BoBunny, and then some stickers here from Simple Stories. And then we have the papers that go with them. I really like this watercolor looking dot paper. This looks like BoBunny to me. So they do really coordinate very nicely together, these papers, because it's hard to actually almost identify which collection is which, but I would guess that those are BoBunny. Ooh, map, that's neat. And these are the Simple Stories ones. Anyway, oh, there's another map, and then license plates. You could see cutting those out, fussy cutting them. So that is the collection. So it was great if you're working on a travel album. I just finished a travel album actually, and that's really cute. I could see fussy cutting those as well. I really like those. I actually think I like the BoBunny papers better for working with because they are more sort of neutral kind of patterns. I think they might be more useful. But I can see using, yeah, either of those sides actually. Look at how well those collections match together. Like they really, and this is nice. I liked this. I didn't notice that at first. So those are I would fussy cut, or I would use these. I definitely use that side. Not in love with that color combination. Yeah. Okay, so that is the September sampler. I'm not really sure what I will make with it. I quite often make little projects or cards, but because of the travel nature theme, maybe a little mini album is in order. Certainly have lots of things to work with. I feel like I've got 2 pages here. This is just really thick. This feels like it's 2 pieces. It's so thick. But yeah, so a pretty good deal to be able to get a little sample of different papers and embellishments and ephemera And then to also get a stamp and die set, all for, I think it comes to about $17 with shipping and everything. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you'd like to see what I make with the sampler, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you're reminded every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.